Is another function of Hyundai Staria na hindi pa alam ng maraming client. So, actually, pwede siyang start through remote key. Just hold this button. Lock mo ng 2 beses. Then, hold mo tong button na to. Yun. So, mag-i-start na siya through remote. Then, pwede mo din siyang patayin through this remote. Just push this button. So, naka-off na siya. Then, alam nyo ba na pwede nyo buksan lahat ng pintuan nito at bintana through this button? So, simple lang. I-hold mo tong open or unlock button. So, tignan nyo ha. Hold mo lang to. Bubukas lahat ng bintana niyan at saka lahat ng window. Just hold it. Amazing, di ba? So, para isara naman yun, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is pindutin tong lock button. Actually, i-hold tong lock button para naman magsara lahat yan. Like this one. So, amazing.